Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create your Notion. First, sign up for a free account using your email. Once registered, you'll choose between a personal or team workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sidebar, which is your navigation hub. It displays all your pages, databases, and available templates, making it easy to organize your digital life from the start. Now let's create your first page. Click the plus icon in the sidebar to add a new one. You can start with an empty page or choose a template like a table or calendar. To add content, simply type a / to access a menu of blocks. This allows you to insert text, headings, to-do lists, images, and much more, building your page block by block. Databases are powerful tools in Notion for organizing information. To create one, add a new page and select the database type. You can view your data in various layouts, including tables, boards, or galleries. Customize your database by adding properties like text fields, dates, or multi-select tags, allowing for flexible filtering and sorting of your entries. Finally, make Notion truly yours by customizing your pages. Add an icon and a cover image to give each page a unique look. You can also change text colors and backgrounds. For collaboration, share your pages with specific individuals or make them public. Explore Notion's extensive template gallery to jumpstart new projects and workflows efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.